What I see a lot of people doing on Squarespace when they want a bit more of a margin either side of the section is they'll grab the blocks and they'll move them in. Now, whilst this isn't necessarily incorrect, it's just not the most optimal way to get things lined up on your site. So what I want to do in this video is show you where your site margins live and how to change them in order to create a cohesive website style. So on our site, if I click edit on a page, what you'll see is the logo, well, I say logo, its site title is aligned with our element here. Now, if I want to create a little bit more space to the side, what happens is, okay, we've moved this in, but this hasn't moved in. Even if I go into the design of the header and I set it to inset like this, it still doesn't change the alignment issue that we have. Same here. Okay, well, I want to bring this in. What you're going to have to do is then do that on every single section where you have left aligned text. You'll then have to go into the footer and move everything over. It's just not sustainable. And it's also not the most optimal way to do things. So what we want to do to get the same effect is we want to go into site styles. So you click here and then we go into miscellaneous and then spacing. Now in spacing, you can set your max page width, but then you can set the margin. So you can go all the way down to 0, which would sit everything flush to the side of the browser. Or you can go all the way up to 12, which brings everything way towards the center. On my site personally, I sit at 4, but if you wanted to push it, you could go 5. 6 is maybe pushing it, so we'll just sit somewhere in the middle. We'll go at 5. So save this. And what you can see now is we've achieved that effect where we've brought our elements in from the left, but what happens is this change is mirrored on the right, so you don't have this weird juxtaposition between one style here and another here. Also, the logo comes in, and as we scroll down, everything else comes in as a result. So it's a really important styling tip that not a lot of people really pay much attention to, but it's crucial for a cohesive site. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.